Hello everyone, today we're making a simple version of a coconut custard pie. This recipe is very delicious and you can easily make it at home without owning any kitchen gadget. Here are the ingredients. I have a chocolate flavored Graham pie crust. You can use the regular Graham pie crust. Firstly, you need to preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a mixing bowl, combine 1/2 cup butter, 1/2 cup white or brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Here, I use whole wheat flour because that's what I have in my kitchen. Mix well together, then add 2 eggs. Mix well until it becomes a runny consistency, then add 1 cup of milk. Here, I use whole milk. Continue mixing until the butter is dissolved, then add a cup of coconut flakes. You can buy the coconut flakes sweet or unsweetened, depends on your taste. Then add a teaspoon of coconut extract. You can also use vanilla extract if that's what you have at home. Mix well. This is ready. The next and last step is to pour this mixture into the Graham pie crust. Place this in the preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake it for 40 to 50 minutes or until set. To test when it's ready, put a knife on the pie. It's ready when the knife comes out clean. Chill for 2 to 3 hours before serving. I hope you can try this simple recipe. The coconut custard pie is a good dessert and a good alternative to other fruit pies. This turned out so good, we devoured this in one sitting. Thank you for watching. You can watch my other video on how to make a traditional pumpkin pie. The link is also down below.